Okay, let's be honest. How many of you have forgotten your iCloud password at least once? Well, I have too. So hello guys, welcome back to the channel GetAssist, and today in this video we will be learning how to recover our iCloud password, that too in some quick ways. I mean, why can't our brain remember the iCloud password but can remember the lyrics we have heard 10 years back? So grab your iPhone or your laptop and let's solve this iCloud mystery once and for all. Alright, let's kickstart with the easiest method first. So if you have an iPhone or a trusted Apple app, so by trusted Apple app, I means that it's already logged into your Apple account. So these are the ways that you can fix your iCloud password. So grab your phone and then open your settings app. And then tap on your name at the top. Then head to sign in and security, and guess what? You will see an option and that would be change password. So go to that and tap on it. Next, enter your passcode and choose a new and secure password. Now just follow the on-screen instructions and you will be back to action in no time. Not having an iPhone? Not at all a problem. You can do the same on your Apple Watch or your Mac, iPad, or even on the super fancy Apple Vision Pro. Now what if you don't have even an Apple device? You can still reset your password if you have access to your trusted mobile number, all thanks to the Apple support app. So just borrow an Apple device from a family member or your friend, have it in your hand and download the Apple support app from the App Store if you don't already have installed it. After that, just scroll down to support tools, tap on reset password and choose help someone else. Then quickly enter your Apple account, email or phone number and then follow the on-screen instructions. Don't worry, anything that you enter is not going to be saved into the device. So your secrets are within you. Okay, if this doesn't work for you, there is one last option, that is the web browser. So now using a web browser, we'll let you know how you can reset your iCloud password. So once again, grab your iPhone and just quickly head to iforgot.apple.com. From there, Apple is going to guide you on how to reset your password. If you have a trusted app nearby, it might ask you to use that instead. But if still you are not able to reset the password, no problem. You can simply enter your email ID and your phone number and there will be steps to guide you through by which you can reset your iCloud password. And there you have it. So these were some quick ways to reset your iCloud password. If you found this video helpful, do like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.